project involved the rapid construction of a 2,200 square foot church, completed in 3.5 days. The church was built on tribal land, which meant that no inspections were required. The project began with a slab that had been poured the week before. On the first day, the building's frame was erected and the walls were sheathed in approximately 9 hours. On the second day, the electrical wiring was installed with assistance from another electrician. Simultaneously, the HVAC and plumbing systems were installed. Additionally, the installation of shingles, siding, soffits, windows, and doors also took place. Day 3 saw the completion of insulation and drywall installation, with the taping intended to be done at a later time. Trimming work was carried out concurrently with the drywall installation. The project included digging a 100-foot ditch to connect to the power company's meter, which was set on a pole along with a disconnect. The entire process was completed efficiently and without any complaints. The church was fully functional with lights and air conditioning.